What's up all of you? And this is your very limang pastor once again. Welcome to Nining TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscriber. Yeah. Ngayon po is another food trip that we will discover here on Food Vlog. We do the simulator and food discovery. Ayan. So, nandito tayo ngayon kung saan this is guide for food, something historical, Filipino dish na may pagka-Spanish at sikat sa Manila City. Pero meron din naman sa other parts of our country. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Aristocrat. Ayan. Aristocrat. Food trip tayo ngayon. At ang title ng vlog natin for today's video is Alis Tayo and have a special lunch here at Aristocrat. Okay. So this special food trip na ating gagawin. We will discover the food preparation and the food trip special of course here dito sa Aristocrat. Ano ba yung taste nila? Ano ba yung mga pwede nating i-try? Friendly budget, may ipon, or kung tayo medyo sumweldo, try naman natin dito sa Filipino dish. Lots of Filipino people also encouraging to try and to eat dito sa ating Aristocrat. Kaya ang title natin, Alis Tayo and have a special lunch here at Aristocrat. Sumami kong ninong nyo to try the awesome food trip and the best food na meron dito sa Aristocrat.
Marie, with you, marry me.
Of course, JM, you might be the best dot person that I ever have.
Give me your hand, and let's have a date at Aristocrat.
Tamis-tamis ng labi mo, sarap-sarap ng halik mo. Ay, tinamaan ng kilat ang puso ko. Oy, pansinin mo ang paligaw, ang sulyap na nakukuha.
So this is it. I am here in Aristocrat and discovering the food adventure here. And we are seeing most of the menu for pasta, rice, and some of the dishes that we see. You will discover here some of the Filipino foods and some of the Spanish foods and Asian cultural foods that we discover here and ready to eat by your ninong to try for the first time here at Aristocrat. And I'm looking just at the menu, some pasta, some of the rices, and the one that I will taste. And for the dessert. So this is the owner, Miss Engracia Cruz of Aristocrat. And this is the owner of Aristocrat, si Lola Asian, that founded this since in the middle of 1940s. In the year of the World War II, in the Philippines, she established this kind of restaurant. Until it was finished, the food restaurant of Aristocrat was continued until in the Gen Z, millennial days, and some of the years come, Aristocrat still there to give you the great food. The food teaching and some of the ingredients came from the owner was passed to give its legacy of the restaurant.
So, test natin ngayon yung kanilang pancit lugdog, which is isa palabot style. Kami kasama siyang hipon, egg, and sabog chicharon. Mabango. Crispy siya. Pagkakagat mo, mapipil mo na agad yung chicharon. And also has shrimp. Malambot yung shrimp na nilagay dito. And of course, mabango. Masarap as well. This is a good taste that we can taste here at Aristocrat. Now, after we get the pancit lukrok, taste naman natin yung kanilang mango cake from Aristocrat. So, I like the icing, parang siyang well dedicated. So, taste natin. Ay, wow. Para kang kumain sa kasal. Kasi yung cake niya, very light and looks very beautiful. Oh yeah. Good taste yung cake. Thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog na alis tayo and let's eat here at Aristocrat. And by the way, special shout out sa ating team manager ng Aristocrat, Sir Sauro. Thank you for serving me the best lunch. At talagang nagagalak ang aking tiyan. At nagagalak din naman ako kasi this is my first time and happy to taste. Lalo na yung kanilang cake, yung kanilang pancit luglot, diba? At binabati ko rin pula ng mga chef and waiter and waitress ng Aristocrat through the hard work, lagi lang magsipag and God bless to all of you. Of course, to Sir Sauro. So, thank you and subscribe Ninong TV and watch more of our video vlog in the food vlog department of NTV Corporations. Maraming salamat po. Bye and thank you.